Welcome to Section 3 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training. Marketing on LinkedIn, step by step. In this section, we'll talk about LinkedIn company pages, LinkedIn groups, advertise on LinkedIn, smart ways to get leads on LinkedIn, how to do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, using the LinkedIn feed for market research, small business resources to help you get more out of LinkedIn, and going premium with LinkedIn. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. LinkedIn company pages. LinkedIn might be a pretty different social networking site targeted at a pretty specific audience and with a very specific set of features as well. But at its very core, it's still a social networking site nonetheless. This means that it still shares some social features with the rest of social networking sites. But because this is LinkedIn we are talking about, we can expect to see a significant spin on how these features are presented and on the way that they serve the platform's members, such as in the case with a feature called Company Pages, which is LinkedIn's version of social media fan pages. Company pages are designed beyond the scope of simply sharing what you like with others, and as such they work specifically to help you grow your company's presence on LinkedIn and in turn on the internet landscape overall. The good news is that getting started with company pages on LinkedIn is an easy, straightforward process packed with a lot of benefits for your business. It all starts with you creating a free company page on LinkedIn, and the only requirements is that you have a LinkedIn account and a valid email address so LinkedIn can verify that you are apt to create a company page for your business. Secondly, you'll have to customize your company profile to give it its proper professional look and feel. LinkedIn recommends you to start by giving your company page a cover image and a logo to bring it to life. The logo that you use on your company page will appear on search results when people search for your company, and will also appear on the profile of your employees for an improved corporate presence. Once your company page is ready, you will be ready to start attracting followers by adding links to promote your LinkedIn company page by linking it through your emails, blogs, websites, and through any other source and placement that you use to bring online traffic to your business. One of the ways offered by LinkedIn for you to link to your company page is in the form of company page follow buttons, which you can also use the same way that you would use your company page links. And you can easily install them on your preferred placements with the help of an easily to implement plugin. Company pages are also a great way to increase your potentially viral reach. This is because you can encourage employees as well as your business leadership colleagues to add your company page to their profiles, which will help you to get more likes, comments, and shares to expand your reach and the number of people in your audience. Company pages will also help you to post and share content, and everybody knows that posting daily company updates is one of the most effective ways to attract engaged followers. News, articles, and even think pieces can help you to stir up conversation with your followers, because each one of your company page updates will appear across your company network, including placements such as in the news feed and home pages of your company page followers. You can promote your company pages through sponsored content updates that will help you to widen your reach beyond your network. Also, your company page can be used to attract and build your employer brand when you upgrade it to a career page. Creating company pages is easy enough, as you would only need to go to the company page button at the bottom of the menu. Then, enter the name of your company in the company name field and a custom yet simple name to add at the end of your public link URL that people can use to identify your company page on search results. Check the verification box below to confirm that you are the rightful owner or individual appointed to manage your company page, and then click on Create Page. Once you are done with this, you will be ready to start customizing your company page on LinkedIn. Welcome to Section 2 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training, LinkedIn Business Solutions. In this section, we'll talk about talent solutions, market solutions, sales solutions, and learning solutions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Talent solutions. LinkedIn is, as you might have seen by now, a platform that takes great pride in the way that allows companies and businesses of all sizes to get in touch with the type of talent that represents the greatest fit for proper organizational development. So one of the greatest reasons why your business will greatly benefit from having a presence on the largest professional networking platform is because it can provide you with the best variety of recruiting tools that will allow you to meet your next hire. LinkedIn Talent Solutions offer talent seekers 3 types of solutions. You can start with job postings that target the right type of candidate for any job, and then to find qualified applicants that can accelerate your hiring efforts. You can post jobs by simply signing up to use LinkedIn as an employer, and you can hire up to 2 hires a year with a free account. But if you plan to hire more than 3 hires a year, you can contact LinkedIn to request a feature that will allow you to swap more than 3 job slots at a time. LinkedIn also allows you to source active and passive talent from the platform through sourcing tools that will enable you to quickly hire quality candidates, which is possible when you use the Recruiter Lite and the Recruiter tools. The Recruiter Lite tool is a lightweight solution for companies looking for a few hires a year, and you can get started for free. But if your goal is to tap into the largest pool of talent and access LinkedIn's massive network of professionals for hire, your obvious choice would be to use the full Recruiter suite. Another way to find talent to work for your organization is not by posting jobs or by navigating the database of professional profiles available on LinkedIn, but by promoting your brand as an organization where top talent would likely want to collaborate with. And LinkedIn offers you the right type of tools to help you further build your brand and showcase your unique organizational culture. Having a strong brand that stands out in this competitive job market is essential when it comes to attracting the right people through your doors. And LinkedIn has 2 solutions that will help you out on capitalizing the branding factor for your business. First, you have the career pages that can help you to showcase jobs that are tailored towards specific talent, as well as to showcase your excellent work culture. Not to be confused with company pages, these career pages are designed to make your job postings to better stand out to potential candidates through awesomely targeted job opportunities. And unlike company pages where only information and content about your company is promoted, career pages are all about sharing your unique company story, attracting the best talent, and also about measuring the impact of your employer brand on your recruiting goals. Another highly targeted solution is the Work With Us Ads solution, which are ads designed to capitalize on the high traffic ad space on your potential employees' profiles. These job ads on average get 50 times more engagement than typical recruitment ads, and they drive interest to your job posts, to your career pages, and all your other LinkedIn placements, so you can stay ahead of your competition. Talent solutions are available to enterprise companies to help them hire lots of people more efficiently, to small and medium-sized businesses so they can easily add more candidates to their pipeline in order to grow their business, to search and staffing agencies so they can get more leads. Nonprofits can also benefit from using LinkedIn Talent Solutions and get steep discounts to get more people working on their fundraising efforts. So now you know. Next time you're looking for the perfect employee, look no further. Smart ways to get leads on LinkedIn. Building a healthy pipeline of quality leads can be quite hard to achieve no matter where you are doing your marketing. But generating a good number of leads and referrals from any source doesn't have to be a daunting task, especially when you're doing it the right way. That is why we have decided to show you the best ways to generate lots of leads to your business on LinkedIn. And we're going to do so in this video, where you will learn how to find, target, and engage leads on the largest social platform for professionals. Use the LinkedIn search function to identify quality leads. You don't generate leads by simply getting likes and comments. You get leads by connecting with the right audience. On LinkedIn, this means targeting the members the right way, using the type of filters that will allow you to identify the best prospective individuals. These filters include job titles, company roles, industry, and locations. Identifying the best prospects through these attributes will help you to only target those professionals that are more likely to understand the benefits offered by your product, service, or business model. Use LinkedIn to connect with qualifying website visitors. One of the greatest ways to tell when a lead can become a qualifying customer is when you can identify them through their browsing behavior. Specifically, you should be looking for people that visit your website as a sign of leads interested in your business. Luckily, LinkedIn allows you to use a pixel code that you can add to your website, and you can use it to identify people that click through your website link from your profile or company page, which can help you to directly get in touch with these already qualifying leads. You can find this code and track your visitors from the See Who's Viewed My Profile section. Share educational content through your profile. A really good way to capture people's attention and convert them into leads is by offering them a reason to do business with you through educational content. Now, there is a difference between sharing educational content through your profile and using lead magnets to capture people's contact info. When you use a lead magnet, you're basically offering a piece of free information that can be given in exchange for an email address or phone number, whereas sharing educational content is all about creating educational posts that offer value to people. On LinkedIn, you can easily share educational content by using the Write an Article feature on the feed. And because this content is not going to be hidden behind an opt-in wall, anyone can access it. True qualifying leads will then flock to do business with you after seeing the value that your business has to offer. Share quality advice on groups. Groups can be an amazing source of leads if you know how to approach people that join. Just like on our previous point, a good way to qualify leads on groups is by offering them content with value and purpose. And in case of group members, this content has to be in the form of sound advice that responds to questions and needs posted by group members. Prepare a business intro for your profiles and company pages. A business introduction for your profiles and company pages can't simply be a warm greeting. It has to be a fully fledged explanation about what your company is, what it does, and what it offers. Think of it as the mission statement of your website, only on your profiles and pages. Clear, concise business intros can help you to land leads without much effort.